then the first one. Okay, you can see this one. The difference between that kit, there is no built-in torch, right? Because some customers don't want the built-in torch, so we make a kit like this. There has one smoker and 6 wood chips and also 4 ice stones. And this ice stones is made by granite. And we also have stainless steel ice stones. There is no. And you can see the spoon and the cleaning brush. The spoon is made by metal, and we also have silver one for your choice. Okay, and you can see there has another item that is ice holder. This ice holder used to catch ice. Okay. And I will show you how to use these smoker kits later. Now I just want to show you different types of the smoker kits. Okay. Okay, this is the stainless steel ice stones. It looks really luxury. Okay. You can see it has a glossy. It is glossy. And it is bigger than the granite ice stones, and it is also expensive than the granite stones. And if you want to ice box like this, you can also tell us. We can also offer the ice box for you. Okay. And the ice box is made by plastic.